Welcome everyone. Today I will be unboxing this Target exclusive doll. Yeah, I know she's been around for a while. I personally just started collecting about 6 months ago, so I'm trying to play catch up. So let's dig in. Hopefully it's what I ordered. So, like I said, I just started collecting about 6 months ago. I've always wanted to collect Monster High, but in my early 20s, I worked a lot, so I wasn't able to do that. All right, so what we have here is, that's right, Ghoulia, Yelps, Neon Frights. I know that this whole line, people were kind of like not into it. I mean, I don't think that there's anything wrong with them. I think they're really cute. Feeling the Frankie, the Toralei, Twyla, Drac, of course, with her pink. Oh, and her yellow accessories. I love it. I love Drac with yellow accessories. It pops. It's so cute. Yeah. So let's dig in, I guess. Why not? Let's get this box out of the way. So yeah, she was Target exclusive, and I'm surprised that Target actually still had some of these because they come out like such a long time ago. Yeah. All right. I like the colors. Ghoulia has a really cool color scheme. I mean, oh wow. Okay. I like that they put the plastic on her. I had just gotten a Core G3 Ghoulia a couple weeks back. Her face was a little mushed from the glasses. Oh wow. So here's a little paper. This is really nice. Oh, a little key. All right. I'm totally gonna destroy this. Oh my god. All right. Oh, cool. I probably need scissors. It's probably open. Oh, yep. Oh, no. Oh, wow. Yeah, so I've gotten the Sculptimate Garden Secrets. I have that full set and the Hollywood. It's cute. Oh, a little cup of ramen noodle brains. Oh, whoops. Well, I mean, it's been sitting there how many years in a warehouse? Because this came exactly from Target website, shipped from Target. I probably got like the last one. No, I didn't. It didn't say stock was low or anything, which was weird. Like I said, this doll's been around for a while. Just so I have a G1 somewhere. It's like the beach one, but she didn't come with any of her clothes, so I had to get like a fashion pack for her. I mean, I can grab her. Oh my god, this is so cute. Her little headset. Oh, she's gonna game. Another little key. Oh, a little handbag. Oh, her necklace. Oh, all right. I see what we did here. What is this in there? Oh, her little... She's got little earrings. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm really happy with it. This is so stinking cute. As a gamer girl, this is like... Oh my god, I would wear these. Whoops. I would totally wear these. Even mismatched. That's just... Oh my god. Alright. It's so freaking cute. No more. What else do we have here? I'm sure someone has already did an unboxing of these dolls like a million years ago. Like I said, I am late to everything. So, don't mind me. Her little outfit. Oh gosh. Okay, so that's nothing. Our little hoodie with her little owl's wings. Oh. Oh, and it's Skulltimate Shores. Ghoulia I have. That's what I have. But she came naked, so I had to buy her a little fashion pack. I'll show her off in a second. Oh my god, this is... Oh. Alright. The skirt is really cute. I'm just not a fan of this material. Like, this stuff, like, disintegrates after a while. Yeah. Not a huge fan. I love the pattern and the colors. Obviously, they're adorable. Just not a fan of this material. This is just, please stop making material like this. Like, the most recent doll I got was G3 Core Rebecca with this material for her pants, and all I can think of, like, oh yeah, after a couple of years, this is just gonna disintegrate completely. So, I just freaking love these Crocs. Oh my god, they're just so cute. I'm so glad I got her. Oh, there's something else in here. I'm always so quick to like... Huh, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's the little eye to go on the... Gotcha. Okay. I'm like, what is that? At first I was thinking like those... You put it on the steering wheel for like your Jeeps or something. Nope, that's for the computer. Go. The little shirt that says brains. Oh my god. This is a really cute doll. Like, really, really cute. I'm, like I said, I literally am going to repeat myself like a 900 times. Like... So cute. Alright, let's free her from her prison. Her curls fixed. For her bangs. Boba straws. So yeah, so I had her glasses 3D printed, and I bought that whole outfit off of Mercari. And that has happened to me a couple of times with the play line, and I'm like, oh boy, I've chopped their hair. Oh. And I think I got that part. Okay. So how are you supposed to get the back? Oh my god. Oh, you can hang this up. Yeah, I've seen people have them put these whole coffins on their walls. I'm like, oh, that's so cool. I just have actual shelves that I will, you know, tinker with and change up every so often. I don't think she wants to be freed. How the heck do you get her out of there? It's like, this will be the second Ghoulia that comes with us, like, cuts on her face. It's not really cuts, it's just dents. I was thinking of just putting, like, a boil over. Maybe it'll pop out because it's rubber, plastic. Whoops. That went over close. Wow, that's actually not too bad. Oh, as I almost bent them while trying to get them in her ears. Oh, those are so cute. I can't wait to put the Crocs on her. Like, you gotta be kidding me. She is so cute. A little eye wonk. Nothing crazy. That one's closer. That one's further away. Oh, yeah, I see it. Her eyebrows. Yeah. We'll have to pose her to look that way or keep her glasses on. Gosh darn it. Oh, well. You can't win everything. I mean, she's still a beautiful doll. That's the thing with it comes. Even if I were to have gone to the store to buy this and it was in the store, I wouldn't be able to see the doll anyway, so I wouldn't be able to. Wouldn't matter. You take a gamble when it comes to these things. It's okay. I want to say with dolls, when they have their little eye wonks, they're like cute little quirks that makes them yours personally. Her hair is really cute. I love the stripes. The stripes are really nice. Oh. Did I chop it? Nope. Oh, yay. I didn't chop her hair off. Very good. I guess she doesn't want to wear the Crocs. Okay. Oops. It's all right. Ghoulia's a zombie, so her leg can twist in different directions. I was just like, why would they make the skirt and the shorts the same fabric? I don't get it. It makes me sad. So they obviously tried to protect her face with this little plastic tab, but it didn't really work. I mean, she's not as bad as my first G3 core there. Like, she has some... I can show you. She has some really bad dents from the glasses. So we're keeping her glasses on. Let me go grab her. Actually, I took the glasses off. Probably somewhere. So I threw, I want to say Rainbow High. Yeah, these are Shadow High sneaker boots, like the Converse boots, and a Shadow High skirt or Rainbow High skirt. I don't know. I bought it all separate online. I didn't buy the actual doll that came with it. I just bought the clothing set. Because then I'm going to end up with tons of dolls. I do have Rainbow High and Shadow High dolls. So, but their accessories and some of the fashion work, amazing on these dolls. As you can see, poor thing. A little dent in the middle right there. Yeah, right there. See where it shines right by the corner of her eyebrow. She doesn't have a severe eye wonk. Her eyebrows are actually pretty decent. I mean, it's a little pulled out to that way. But unfortunately, she has a little I don't know how I would fix that, but it is what it is. So she definitely has like her iconic red lipstick on this one. Comparing, obviously, you can't really compare G. I mean, I love G3. Don't get me wrong. G3 is what started for me. The first dolls that I got were all G3. I do love the G1s, and hopefully one day I can get all the Creepros at least. One day. They're on my wish list. I'm in no rush though because Mattel keeps dropping new stuff. Yeah, I watched the live feed for, Mattel Creations reveals. I wasn't ecstatic over the new Monsters of the Universe doll. It was the reveal after that got me with River Styx. It looks like she's gonna be like a CDCC exclusive, like Twyla Screams, Sweet Screams, Twyla Screams, Scara Screams, Twyla Sweet Screams. Yay, her bangs. Her hair is so soft. G1s have like the softest hair. Like really nice G1s have soft hair. Yep, this little Ghoulia was rescued. She came to me nakies. Her joints aren't too bad. I mean, they're not loose. Whoever got her hands were a little loosey-goosey. I was lucky that the fashion pack had earrings. I was really bummed if I couldn't get earrings. I hate seeing like dolls with ear holes for no reason. Hips are a little, could be a little better, but I'm not going to complain for something that came out like what, 2012 maybe? But yeah. Maybe eventually I'll get the Skull Shores outfit for her. Like I said, it was too many people who had just separate pieces, and it ended up like it was like $65 for like the whole set, and that just no. If someone has all the pieces and I can bundle with the shipping and all that, more than happy to do so. Otherwise, yeah, I haven't looked in a while because I got this pack and I'm not too upset. Like I said, she's got 3 pairs of glasses that I ordered that were 3D printed. One is the Skull Shores set, but it's not green, they're black. So yeah. Very fun. Very fun. I'm not trying to make this video very long. I'm sorry. I could go on and talk about Monster Highs and show dolls all day long. I will be having more videos of dolls I've collected in the past couple of months. Like I said, I've only started a couple months ago. Yeah. If you have any questions or anything, just feel free to shoot me a message or something. I'm happy to answer them. I'm gonna finish playing with, well, not playing, but styling Ghoulia, Neon Frights. She's super cute. Even with a slight little wonky wonk. Poor thing. I was born this way. So, can't get mad. It happens. All right. Thanks for bearing with. Was lots of fun. Hopefully to making more videos in the future. Bye-bye now.